My name is Anthony Reyes, and my presentation will be on acupuncture. What is acupuncture? Acupuncture is an alternative medicine that is a key component to traditional Chinese medicine, where needles are inserted into the body in order to heal and relax somebody. The goal of the person given the acupuncture is to stimulate specific parts of the body through the penetration of thin needles in hopes to alleviate stress, anxiety, health conditions such as back and neck pain, depression, and even insomnia. It also helps promote the natural self healing process since it is stimulating specific body parts. Scientific evidence. Even though some people have their own opinion on acupuncture, there is not much scientific evidence that backs up whether acupuncture really does work for somebody or not. Some information we do have, luckily, is that acupuncture has been used in Chinese medicine for over 2,500 years. And according to Chinese practitioners, acupuncture is meant to help with the flow of your qi. Your qi is the flow of energy that streams throughout your whole body. And if that energy is blocked, it can cause problems such as body pains like back or neck problems, stress, and anxiety. That is where acupuncture comes in. It is meant to prevent the blockage of the energy and help rebalance your organs, mind, and body if it does get blocked, therefore improving your health, mind, and body. Physiology of acupuncture. Even though there is not a lot of scientific evidence stating that acupuncture really does help one individual or not, one large piece of information that was given to us is that due to the penetration of the needles in your body, this releases endorphins inside your body. Endorphins are the body's natural painkiller. This will provide a natural boost to both your mind and body. This natural boost will then help with things like anxiety, body pains, headaches, and depression. More scientific evidence that can be seen is in Campo medicine, which is the study of traditional Chinese medicine. The unique concept of qi helps with the understanding of psychogenic disorders, which are illnesses that are believed to come from emotional or mental stressors, according to the National Center of Biotechnology. Next are the benefits. Like I previously stated before, acupuncture releases endorphins in your body because of the needles that penetrate into your skin. Since endorphins are released, some perceived benefits that come with acupuncture are stress relief, reduced back, neck, and joint pain, headache relief, reduced eye strain, and increased energy. Some side effects of acupuncture, even though this can bring great stress relief and relaxation, some side effects due to the needle is bruising, soreness, dizziness, fainting, bleeding, and in rare cases, injury to an internal organ. Some pros and cons of acupuncture include stress relief, headache relief, reduced back, joint, and neck pain due to the release of endorphins into your body, and some cons of acupuncture due to the insertion of the needle include bruising, soreness, bleeding. And in my opinion, acupuncture does help because when I was in middle school, um, I played a lot of basketball, and my body used to be very sore. And I used to be very stressed. Just I don't know, just as a little kid, and I did acupuncture, and I remember feeling very relaxed. My mind was at ease. I wasn't thinking a lot. I was just very calm, and I believe that the endorphins that were released throughout my body really helped with all that. And I believe acupuncture really does help when you do have some kind of problem like depression, or you're just thinking a lot, or you're very stressed due to work. And I feel acupuncture is something that could really help somebody go through difficult situations, when you just have a lot on your mind and you just want to be at ease. These are my references. Thank you.